started going around on the other side because some of these are not yet ready, what they said to us for our orientation. Yeah. If you look this one, we have some screen to cover this orchard. That we can eat it, but don't waste the foods. Kaya sayang naman nga kung ititest mo lang yung mga kung gusto mo tapos hindi mo naman uubusin, so sayang. So that's waste, going to the waste. So if you don't eat it, fail na, huwag mo ipipik kasi po ay is not hindi po hindi po maganda kung ipipik mo tapos ay hindi mo naman kakainin. So like this one still have grain on the top. Yan po. Ay sabi po ay hindi pa po ito sweet. Dahil po ay medyo another week pa bago po ito ay mapipik. But according to the guy, he asked it to pick on the other side. Yeah. My wife is keep waving on me because he wants to start it to eat. So yeah. That's nice fruit. Yeah, free to eat, but don't waste the fruits if you don't like it. Sayang mo naman nga. You can see there's some fruits on the floor na tinatapon lang, tinitest lang po yung sarap o hindi. Yeah. See, if you can see there on the other side, yan po, ay ang ganda. Parang Christmas tree po. Ito po ay there's a season of persimmon, autumn to winter. Yan po. Sarap. So, yun po yung mga kasama namin. They started eating the fruits. Yan. They try to taste the sweetness of this persimmon. So, saan ka pa nakakita nito na kakain ka, free pa. Yan. So, yung babayaran mo lang, yun po yung napipik mo. Yan. Yan po. So, di ko alam kung bakit ito ay naging kulay red. I think may damage po siya. Yan, may damage kaya it's turning red. Yeah. So ito po yung sabi po ng nag-aalaga po dito na when you pick it, you have to twist, not to pull the persimmon. Kasi po ay the reason why you can break the branch of the trees, maka-damage po. So you need to twist it. Yan. Yan. At kailangan mo po na iti-twist. Madali lang naman pipik eh. Yan. Yan po. So yung lalaki. Kikita po ninyo is too big to have this. And we very lucky to have this orchard na pwede ka pumunta dito, then way to eating but don't waste it. Yeah. Then ano man po yung i-pick mo, yan po yung bababayaran mo. Yan. So, kita ko naman yung mga bunga. Oh. Dami. Nice. Yan po. So we're going at tomorrow. Kasi yun po sabi ng na nagbigay po sa amin ng orientation na doon po sa kabila yun po ang ay ready to pick. Yeah. And this one, some is already inog na po. Yeah. Pero andoon talaga sa kabila yun po yung is ready. Yeah. Yun po yung itsura ng vineyard. Malinis po. Wala pong kubra po dito dahil po ay they look after all yun po yung orchard. Yan. Yan. So yun po yung kagandaan. Kung mayroon pong ganito na may protection po yung trees. Tingnan mo po yan. Sa laki po ng orchard na ito. They are all protected with the screen here. Yan. Para hindi po masayang po. Hindi po i-attack mo ng mga ibon. Yan. Hope that you enjoy watching my video kasi po I don't have time of going around making some vlogs because Lolo Sam is still working. So siguro hanggang dito lang po muna ako, and salamat po sa inyong panonood po. Yan po. Yan po yung kalsada papunta doon sa kabila din. My wife is busy eating. Yan. Yan. Ma'am, say hello. What are you? Hello. Medyo umulan kaya medyo tumigil muna. Medyo lumalakas ang ulan eh. Yan. Yan. So we'll continue again. Yan. We continue taking some photos. Yan po ay medyo mumpa na po yung ulan. Started picking now but still raining. Yan. So kailangan po ay tumigil muna na konti. See, you can see the screen on the top. Yan. See, you can see the rain. Still raining. Yan. Skip picking. Kasama namin ay they're busy of eating. Yeah.